Yes. Hello, Totoy Balat of Apalit, Pampanga, Philippines. YouTube channel Totoy Balat. My page, Totoy Balat. Subscribe na!
When she looks at me, the girl sees face nobody else can see.
All this is secret first inside, and the crest eyes I hide. She look into my soul and read me like nobody can. And she doesn't just the man, she just take me as I am.
Come what may, she believes, and the fate is something I never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open a door.
Making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those are the times. There's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do. And since she left me, live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hour of uncertainty, she just seems to let me be and goes right on loving me. Come what may, she believe, and I faded something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and as love has helped me open a door. Make me love myself a little more.
And when it sees my dreams
and how it slip through my fingers,
when they just can't be found, I turn around and there they are, shining in my eyes.
Come what may, she believe, and I faded something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door. Make me love myself a little
What a way she believes, and that fate is something I never known before.
Come what may, she loves me, and as love has helped me open. Oh.